In today's tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to trade on Aerodrome. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to kick things off on Coinbase first, where we're going to show you how to transfer Ethereum through the base layer 2 into a Coinbase wallet. Now after this, we're going to show you how to connect that Coinbase wallet to the Aerodrome decentralized exchange, or DEX, and place any kind of trade that you would like. What this means is that after you know how to do this, you're going to be able to purchase just about any token inside the Base ecosystem. So if you're not familiar with what Aerodrome is the primary decentralized exchange, or DEX, for the Base ecosystem. Base is a layer 2 or a scaling solution that has exploded here in the last year or so, which means that it is dominating the vast majority of Ethereum activity. Since this ecosystem has grown to be so vibrant, there's all sorts of altcoins being built on top of it, and you, the average user, typically wants to get exposure to them, which is probably why you're here in the first place. So let's go ahead and kick things off on Coinbase first. Because the first real step that you need to do is learn how to send cryptocurrency, specifically in this case Ethereum through the Base L2, into your Coinbase wallet. Now I should preface this by saying, hey, you need a Coinbase wallet before you begin here. If you haven't already gone and created one, it's super easy, and you can go ahead and pause the video right here and then come back to it after you're done. But if you already have a Coinbase wallet, or maybe even another kind of wallet that you want to use, this is where you're going to go ahead and resume at. So if we go down to this send button here, if you're just on the base homepage of Coinbase or assets or transactions or any of this, you're going to see that there is a send crypto button right here. And that's what we're going to want to click on. Now from here, we're going to type in ETH or Ethereum. Now from here, we actually need to go over to our Coinbase wallet. We're going to open it up and we're going to go to receive. We're going to click on the receive button here. We're then going to click on the your Ethereum address button right here. Now you're going to see that there's a couple of networks that are supported, such as the Ethereum mainnet, Coinbase, or the base layer 2. We have AVAX, BNB, and Polygon. So this is going to be the correct one, and I'm going to click the copy button right here. What this is going to do is going to say, hey, you've copied this to your clipboard, and now I can go back to the Send Crypto tab in Coinbase and paste this in here. After I do this, I'm going to click enter, and then it's going to say, hey, which asset would you like to send? I would like to send Ethereum, so I'm going to type that in, and then I'm going to click on it. Now, after I do this, I can go ahead and it's going to ask me, hey, how would you like to send Ethereum? Which network would you like to send Ethereum on? And this is where I'm going to go through my options of the Ethereum base chain, Base, Aerodrome, Avalanche, all these other ones that we have. Now, again, we want to send this through the Base ecosystem because this is what Aerodrome is meant to interact with. So we're going to click on Base. We're going to click, yes, it's supported. And then we're going to type in the amount of Ethereum that we want to send over here. So it can be $1, it can be $100, it can be $1,000, right? You can do any kind of amount that you want. If you want to send $105.47, you can do that as well. So it's going to ask us how much Ethereum we would like to send. We're going to type it in here. We're going to click preview, and then we can go ahead and just click send. It's going to give you the final information here saying, hey, this is the wallet that you're sending to. It's going to be on the Base network, which is what we want. It's going to take around 24 seconds, and there actually shouldn't be any network fee because we're sending Ethereum from Coinbase to a Coinbase wallet on the Base ecosystem. So they're saying, hey, you're interacting in our ecosystem. You get no fee for doing this, which is a big plus. So now if I want to go ahead and do this, I'll click send now, and then I can go over to my wallet and I can wait for the funds to actually come in. So if I go back over here, I'm going to see that it will go ahead and load up. And here I can see that there's a little Ethereum icon with a little Base icon in the bottom right. And this is going to be what I need to actually interact on Aerodrome. So if I go back to the actual Aerodrome exchange, it's going to go ahead and show me my wallet up here. Now I'm going to act like we haven't even connected it yet because that's going to be the stage that you all are on. But I'm going to go ahead and click connect. I'm going to click connect again. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my Coinbase wallet, which I'm going to connect. And boom, I am connected. So now what I can do is I can say, hey, I want to exchange my Ethereum, which I'm going to put in the top box here, from Ethereum to the token that I would like to exchange for. So if I want to exchange for Aerodrome, well, I can type Aero in and it's going to come right up. If I want to exchange for something else like USDC, I can go ahead and type that in or it will come up. Maybe I have the contract address for a specific altcoin. Well, I can put that in here and it's going to come right up as well. Now, alternatively, you can also scroll through this list to find exactly what you're looking for. It's going to be labeled by whatever you hold first, and then after that, it's just going to be alphabetical. As you can see, you go through all the A, Bs, Cs, Ds, and so on and so forth. So if you want to just kind of scroll through here and see what's available, you can also do that as well. Now, let's just go ahead and say, hey, I want to make a trade here. I want to go ahead and trade, maybe a little bit of Ethereum for the Aerodrome token. So let's just say, hey, I want to go ahead and trade, a little bit of Ethereum for this Aerodrome token. Well, I need to make sure that, again, my Ethereum's on top and then my Aerodrome is on bottom. After I do this, I'm going to type, 0.1 Ethereum or whatever I want. And then it's going to say, hey, you can trade this into around 32 or 33 Aero. So now if I go ahead and do this, I'm going to click swap ETH for Aero. I'm going to confirm it here for a network fee of under 1 cent. And now I'm going to go ahead and just give this a second. And it says, boom, your 0.01 ETH has been swapped for a minimum of around 32.97 Aero. So now if I go over to my Coinbase wallet, I load it in. I can go to my transactions. And over in here, I can go ahead and see, and it might just take a second, so don't freak out if you don't see it here immediately, but we can just refresh this, and here is my 32.99 Aero that I just swapped on the date of February 11th. And that's all there is to actually swapping on Aerodrome. So if you've ever wanted to interact with the Aerodrome decentralized exchange, maybe you wanted to get your hands on some altcoins, or you just wanted a cheaper way to interact with Ethereum, this is going to be one of the best ways to do it. So thank you all for watching. I hope all of you liked this video, and if you did, we got a lot more tutorials coming your way in the not so distant future. So consider hitting that like button, consider hitting that subscribe button, and if you really liked it, stick around, check out those links in the description down below, and we'll see all of you in the next tutorial.